Showing you how to screen share in your Flipgrid. So you start by clicking the plus sign to record a response. And then to screen share, you'll need to click these three dots and go to screen recording. Then you click screen recording. This will allow you to choose whether you want to do your entire screen, the window that you're in, or a Chrome tab. Usually I'll be doing a Chrome tab because I'm showing something other than the Flipgrid to screen share. So I would click whatever it is I want to share and then click the share button. Then all I do is share whatever it is that I want to share. Up top there's a blue button for stopping your screen share. It will immediately play once you click it. All I do is share whatever it is that I want to share, After you've done that, you go back to the tab where your Flipgrid is. You can then add more if you'd like to add video of yourself speaking. And of course, you would start that by just clicking the red button. It counts down just like usual, 3, 2, 1. You start recording yourself and pause when you're done. So you only get one shot at screen sharing though, okay? Because those three dots are only here in the beginning. So you can screen share and then video yourself talking more about whatever it is you presented. Click next. All I do is share. Click next. If you want to do your selfie, you do your selfie, and then everything else just like any other Flipgrid. I hope this helps.